Hello and welcome to video number 3. In this specific video, we're going to be talking about creating bonus reports. Now, this strategy here with the bonus reports, it's good for level 3, and this tends to be good for everyone as it's short and sweet, but the perceived value is a little lower than the videos and the webinars. Unless the content that you give is worth about the same or more of your product. So it can really vary from level to level. You could, however, package this with the levels 1 and 2. And really, you can really just be creative with this. There's no set in stone levels, but I just want to give you an idea of everything. Now, let me give you some ideas on how to create these valuable reports. Take one of the strategies, methods, tips, and advice that you brainstormed in video number 2. And then break it up into at least 5 questions with about 2 to 3 answers in the form of bullets or steps. Now, what I mean by that is you got at least 5 questions for that specific strategy, method, tip, or advice. And then you answer the question either in the form of bullet points or in the form of steps. So bullet points can just be a variety of solutions, and steps is like step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. One way to go about doing this very, very fast and easy is to have somebody in your niche ask you these questions, and have them ask you these questions on a recording, on the telephone, or something where you can record it over Skype and so forth. But you have to record it so that when somebody plays the audio file, they can actually hear it. Now, the reason why I say someone in your niche is because if you're talking to somebody who has a similar mindset, they are in a similar field, then you're just going to get a lot of ideas beginning to move around, and you're going to get a lot of content, a lot of good content. So talk about 5 to 10 minutes and you'll have a full report. 5 to 10 minutes is about, it could be about 7, 8, 9, 10 pages. And what you do is you record the audio, talk to somebody about it, transcribe it, and there you go. That's a report, and a good content-based report. Another way to go about doing this is to simply transcribe the videos that you already have. You tend to talk faster than you type, and often with the second person in your niche, ideas flow freely. So you can take videos and transcribe them. And let me go ahead and show you places that you can go to get your videos and your audios transcribed. Alright, so while there are many different websites where you can find transcribers to transcribe your audios, your videos, and so forth into text, there are 2 particular websites that I have used over the years, and that was Odesk.com and Fiverr.com. Currently I use transcribers from Odesk.com, and you can go there, you can find people, negotiate prices, and so forth. It's really easy to use. Fiverr.com, you can also go there, type in the keyword transcribe into the search box, click on rating so you can rank people from the best feedback to the worst. And the best way to go about doing that is to look through here, look at the ratings, but also look at how many minutes you get. And a lot of times I found that the best way to go about doing this is if you have a large amount of minutes, then you can contact several of these people and ask them if they can give you a bulk discount. Now, moving along, once you have the document in hand, then what you need to do is convert that document into a PDF file for a report. The best way to go about doing this is to simply enter your information into Microsoft Word or OpenOffice or any other word processor. Once you're done with that, you'll need to download a program called Qt PDF. So if you go to qtpdf.com and you download a program, it's free, it's called Qt PDF Writer. And basically the way this acts is like a printer. So basically, as long as you can print a page, you can convert that page into a PDF. And I can show you that in just a minute. So let's say, for example, that we have this document here, and I want to convert this report into a PDF file. Once I've installed Qt PDF Writer and I go up here and click on print, you'll notice that under the print area it has Qt PDF Writer. So if I click on that and click OK, then what this is going to do is basically convert this text into a PDF file, as you can see here. And it's really easy, as you can see, and that's it. So that's how to create a bonus report for your affiliates.